Okay. We got an Edge Star countertop dishwasher, so I have the manual. Okay. Plugs right in here, right into the faucet. Clean water goes in this way, the bad water comes out that way. Just dumps right there and just attaches right there. I just keep it over here. I just actually cleaned it. See a little bit of steam coming out. Yeah, so it holds like four plates. Another plate in the back. We got 4 cups, obviously forks and knives. So holds a decent amount. I think, you know, could hold probably at least 8-9 plates. Okay, just definitely works. Dishwasher detergent goes right here. Okay.